Now let's talk about else statement. Else statement can be combined with if statement to provide code that will be executed if condition is false. I will modify our script from the previous example. Now in the x variable I will put -10 and I will add else statement to the if condition. So else print x is not positive number. Okay, let's try to run our code. And we can see that x is not positive number. In this case, since x is -10 and the condition x is greater than 0 is false, the code within the else block will be executed.